Morning, guys. So let's see how much we weigh today. I really want to see some change, but we'll see. Well, it's been really consistent with that 84.5 since Monday. So it's been 2 days. Sunday, Monday, and now today is Tuesday, so it's been 3 days. It's been the same. I really feel like it should drop, but I don't know. So nothing to worry about. I'm still on track. I mean, I like the changes that I see in the mirror, and that's normally what I care. I don't care about the scale as much, okay? So for me, the biggest indicator is what I see in the mirror. And as for my calories, 2,600, like the past few days as well, except for Sunday, as I said. And yeah, I'm not doing anything special, okay? Like my fat intake, my carb intake, like everything's pretty much the same. I'm just eating however I like, not manipulating anything yet, okay? So I'm not going like high fat or anything. So this week, I don't know, like maybe I will not do it at all. We'll see, all right? Because I don't want to complicate things. Like last week I was thinking about that. I don't want to complicate it too much for people who's watching it. I just want to just maybe follow a simple diet. I'm not sure. So we'll see if I'll do it this week or not, okay? So I really enjoy like changing things, but we'll see. So yeah, today's leg day. It's gonna be fun. So I'll see you guys at the gym, all right?
I'm at the gym. We're gonna be starting with leg presses. I really like doing leg presses, so this is the only fun part about like doing legs. So we are gonna start with like bunch of warm-ups as usual, all right, one plate at a time, and increase the weight up until our working weight, and then we're gonna push from there. Moving on to calf raises now. Same as usual, 7 sets, alright, until failure. Done with calf raises, now we are moving on to leg curls, right? Seated leg curls, because I don't have the line machine. So seated leg curls, same as last week, right? And like I'm not recording my warm-ups anymore, okay? If you want to see how I warm up, you can just go and watch the first 2 weeks, okay? Done with leg curls, now we are moving on to leg extensions. Leg extensions, now we are moving on to adductors. So we are done with legs today. I haven't changed anything for legs, okay, for today only. I haven't changed anything, no additional exercise, no supersets, no nothing, all right? If you are, training your abs, today is the day. So now I'm gonna be going back home, but you can go ahead and train your abs, okay? And I'll see you guys at recap.
Hey guys. So as you've seen in the morning, my weight hasn't changed for the past like 2-3 days now. Sunday, Monday, and today is Thursday, so you can call it like 3 weigh-ins that my weight hasn't changed. So although I don't consider it as a big deal, because in terms of like what I'm seeing in the mirror, compared to even like Sunday, I look much leaner. For example, like today I was looking leaner than what I was looking like on Sunday. So I don't think it's a big issue. And by the way, like I talked about like different variables and stuff, so I want to mention like what I think my problem now is with this weight not changing basically on the scale is that it might be a sodium issue because I've been eating like some other stuff that I wasn't usually eating a lot. So it might be some water retention from like carrying a little bit of extra sodium. I feel like that's the thing. And it might also be a bathroom issue, but like I'm not sure because I don't really log my bathroom sessions, so I don't know if that's the case. But I mean, I just want to be open to you and share everything what I'm thinking, but most likely it's a sodium issue, I think. So but we'll see how it's gonna go like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I'm still doing everything that I'm telling you that I'm doing. I'm not doing anything additional. I mean, I did like additional stuff kinda yesterday, right? So I told you about it. And also on like Sunday, I wasn't able to hit the calories that I was planning, but it was like 100 or 200 calories less than I was planning for. So like I'm also telling you like every stuff that's going on behind the camera, all right? Because I cannot log like every single second of my life. So yeah, that's how things are going so far. In terms of leg training, you've seen how I've done it, all right? In the future, I'm planning to like release videos where I actually show the moves and how to correctly perform them in terms of like correct forms, okay? So in this vlog, like you're not gonna see me doing those like moves slowly, but in the future, by the time it's done, I'm probably gonna prepare like another video where I show like how I do certain exercises to achieve better form, and I don't know, better for my knees, better for my back, better for my joints, like any kind of stuff, okay? To prevent injury basically. And also from now on, I'm not gonna be recording my warm-ups because I mean it's unnecessary, I think, at this point. My warm-ups are you know how I do my warm-ups. I'm actually gonna make another video in the future also just to explain how I go about warm-ups for people who don't really understand the concept. And aside from that, I mean, if you want to see how I warm up for a certain day, you can just go and watch my first week or second week videos to understand how it goes. I know that some of you have been getting very good results following this program or following my overall other recommendations or suggestions that I have talked about in my other videos. So I really like seeing those. Thank you very much. And also, if you haven't been updating me, I know there are some of you who haven't been updating me. I'm not gonna name any names, but I know you guys, you haven't been updating me. So give me an update, all right? Let me know how everything is going. And aside from that, I mean, for the leg day, I still haven't included any new exercise or any kind of superset or anything. First of all, for legs, I'm not gonna include any supersets except for the ones that, I mean, we already have kind of like superset-ish exercises for leg days. The ones that we do until failure, right? Like those are like combined, like calf raises and like the adductors, those ones. So I'm not gonna include any supersets for legs at all, but I might include another exercise for this day, but not so soon, because I feel like our leg training has been very good so far and it's already tough on the legs. And even when I perform my Friday leg workout, the second leg workout, I don't really feel like I'm 100% recovered from this workout, right? Or like further on, okay? So I'm not doing any changes so far, but I might add an additional exercise to this day as well. So make sure to watch all the leg videos and train your legs, okay? So that's it for the day. If you have any questions, comment, feel free to write them, like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow on pull day.